Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to check battery temp using Ampere app on OPPO Reno 12 Pro. Firstly, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar at the top and search up Ampere. Now install this app. And once your installation has succeeded, you can open the app. Tap on consent and then tap on OK. And as you can see, my temp is 27 degrees. And you can swipe right or left, and it's going to display all the information in different dims. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, write them in the comments.